These days a lot of videos on social media have an aesthetic vibe to them. It's easy to spot an aesthetic video because of its music, video filters, VHS effects, flowy fonts, pastel colorways, and speed changes that enhance their mood, style, or feeling. Aesthetic videos are developed mostly in post-production, aka editing. While you can capture aesthetic-looking videos through your videography skills, it is mainly the editing part that is the icing on the cake. There are so many aesthetics, like dystopian, cyberpunk, lo-fi, vintage, retro, and so much more. You can think of aesthetics as themes. Your role as an editor is to capture and convey a particular aesthetic through your video. With that being said, let's look at ways to make videos more aesthetic. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Step 1. Choose an editing software. You can use high-end software like Premiere Pro, Lightroom, or Final Cut Pro to edit the video. But even low-end software like Movavi, Filmora, etc. can get the job done. We are mainly using these softwares not for their editing tools, but for their features. They all have cool features like filters, text, and special effects to make an aesthetic video. You can even use phone apps and also inbuilt editing tools in social media apps like Instagram, TikTok, etc. Step 2. Add special effects. Special effects really help add a cool aesthetic to your video, and try these out on your videos in order to enhance their aesthetic. Different effects work best, depending on the overall ambience you're going for. For instance, if you have a video including skyscrapers or buildings, you could make the video look super futuristic and almost cyberpunk-esque by adding some glitch effects. Or if you want to make it look more vaporwave-esque, you could try adding a VHS effect and some slight distortion effects. Some of the special effects you can try are 1. Glitch effects. For a futuristic twist, glitch effects are great for this. 2. VHS. Give your video a retro feel by adding a VHS filter to your video. This will make your video a super retro ambience overall. 3. Sparkles. Add a touch of glitz and glamour to the video with aesthetic sparkles. 4. Film grain. For a retro overlay, why not try adding some film grain to your videos? This will simulate those vintage videos we have all known to love and can add an old-fashioned aesthetic ambience to the video. Step 3. Use an aesthetic font. According to the theme and feel of your video, you can a cool font that resonates with your aesthetic. For instance, you can simply use lo-fi or retro-looking fonts if your video has a retro aesthetic. Text effects could also be applied to further enhance the aesthetic, such as adding a text shadow behind the text. Step 4. Color grading the video. Color grading the video will enhance its aesthetic and convey the mood even more. For example, color grading the video to look dimlit can invoke a sense of gloom, dystopia, melancholy, nihilism, etc. Whereas increasing its brightness and saturation makes the video convey upbeat emotions. Step 5. Use background music. No video is complete without background music, especially these aesthetic-looking videos. In fact, you can even get rid of the fonts, special effects, and filters and still convey the same aesthetic with just background music. So depending on your type of video, choose a background song to go with it. It can be instrumentals, a song, or something as simple as laughter in the background. That's where sound design comes in. This is also known as Foley. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.